Jai Shri Ram. My name is Vinay Ram, Tumkur district, Gubbi Taluk, Karnataka. This outline model of Ayodhya Sri Rama Mandira with the divine inspiration of Lord Shiva. I made this model. I am not an architect or artist by birth artist. Main motto of this elegant temple model of Ayodhya is to propagate the Dharma, Shikshana and self-awareness of Prabhu Sri Ram in his life. The noble intention in this temple model is to comfort the aged people 85 and above. Yeah, this auspicious darshana is Rama in their reachable temple, matas and ashramas. Rama is born in a Surya Vamsha. Yes, Surya, the sun god, is the universal source of light and energy for entire world. In the same way, Rama's noble qualities, impartial and race, sect and religious. My determination to present this model at 108 locations is a Bhishma Pratigna. Since 2022, this uninterrupted journey of presenting this Rama Mandira size 15 by 15 and 10 feet height has been mostly appreciated by Matadipatis, divine spiritual gurus, politicians, and India popular businessman and spiritual citizen of India. Now is 97th Pradarshan, January 10th you have to complete it. This is for 7 days is presented this model in Mahalakshmi temple in Panaji. For 7 days.
For 7 days.
Jan 10th is last.
How long means how much time you took for it to
3 months. I take for this model is preparing for 3 months. I have assembling for 2 days and dispensing also 2 days. Presenting in 7 days. Minimum 7 days. Maximum 48 days is presented in this model. In Karnataka, 17 district is completed. In Goa is in third place. First is Pattagali Mutt, Madgaon, and this is Panaji.